Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a good Shopify website. First, establish a strong foundation by defining your niche and target audience. Then, select a professional, responsive theme that aligns with your brand identity. This is crucial for user experience. Don't forget to accurately configure vital backend settings such as shipping, payment gateways, and taxes. Finally, choose a memorable domain name that is easy for your customers to recall and type. Next, focus on creating an engaging user experience. Implement intuitive navigation with clear menus and categories, making products easy to find. Optimize product pages with captivating, high-quality images and detailed descriptions, highlighting benefits. Crucially, ensure your site is fully mobile responsive, as over 60% of e-commerce traffic comes from mobile devices. Finally, streamline the checkout process to just a few simple steps, reducing cart abandonment. Now, let's optimize for visibility and sales. Use relevant keywords in your product titles and descriptions to improve search engine rankings. Craft unique, compelling product descriptions that clearly highlight customer benefits, not just features. Integrate customer reviews and testimonials throughout your store to build crucial social proof. Also, utilize high-resolution images and engaging product videos to showcase your offerings effectively, as visuals are key. Finally, drive traffic and track your performance. Develop a robust marketing strategy, including social media engagement and targeted email campaigns. Integrate analytics tools like Google Analytics to monitor website traffic, conversion rates, and customer behavior. Regularly update your product listings and website content to keep your store fresh and relevant. Consider offering promotions or discounts to attract new customers and incentivize purchases, boosting your overall sales.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.